What I wish I knew before blaming my phone for my Mustang GT's wireless charger problem: sometimes it's not your device, it's your car. First off, check if your phone actually supports wireless charging. Not all phones do. If yours does, make sure it's lined up correctly on the charger pad. Just a small misalignment can stop it from charging. Next, clear out anything between your phone and the pad, like coins, cards, or even a thick case. These can block the signal. Still not working? Make sure your Mustang is running, or at least in accessory mode. The charger doesn't work when the car is off. If you see blinking lights or no lights at all, there could be a fuse issue or a software glitch. Try restarting your car's system, or check your owner's manual for fuse locations. And remember, wireless chargers can overheat. If your phone or the pad feels hot, give it a break before trying again. If none of these tips work, it might be time to visit your dealer. Sometimes it's a hardware issue that only a pro can fix. There you have it. Quick checks and easy fixes for your Mustang GT's wireless charger. No more guesswork, just simple solutions.